What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1, and what are we upgrading today? So this is my TRAXXAS TRX4M Ford F150 Ranger XLT edition. And primarily what I'm going to be doing with this RC, as you guys can see, I upgraded it to where it has a white body, and I did get the adaptive bumpers for it. But I'm trying to keep this as stock as possible. I do have 3 other TRX4Ms. I got the K10 edition, I got the Ford Bronco, and I have the, what is it, Land Rover edition. And 2 of those RCs are just totally upgraded with nothing but aluminum. But I want to keep this one stock. You know, I think there's been a lot of good history with this truck, and I want to keep it as stock as possible when it comes out to just upgrading it and stuff like that. I do want to get lights for it, which I did, and these are the lights that I bought. The part number is 9884, and this is the Pro Scale LED light set, front and rear complete. Includes the lighting harness and zip ties, and it fits my body, which is the 9812 body, which is you. And yeah, so it's gonna give me all directions on how to install this. It should be fairly simple because I've done a few lighting kits on the other RCs as well. But like I said, I want to keep this as stock as possible. I think the only thing that I've upgraded, I did upgrade an RC, no, not even the stainless steel screw kit from TRAXXAS. So once, you know, I can't get enough about this. So what I'm going to do is unscrew a few pieces. I'm going to make these videos short because these are mini RCs and it should have many times. So let me start doing this and let's see where we're going. Alrighty, so I ended up unpackaging this. There's a lot of zip ties, and as you can see, this is the lighting kit. It's fairly well built. It looks a little bit different than what I've installed beforehand. But yeah, it should be good to go. It does give you the body disassembly, which is, that should be the front. This is this is pretty much going to be a simple install. Just a few screws that are going to come across, and just, is the hardware? Is there hardware? Ah, there is hardware. So I do have the hardware available, and that's the way it should line up. I'm going to start doing this off camera, and then we'll see how it looks, and then we'll turn on the RC. Alrighty, so cable management is pretty huge on this. I say that with anything that I do, especially in my career. I always say cable management is on point with your RCs and stuff like that. But also with cable management, just get yourself some good, you know, flush cutters. So primarily when you're cutting the zip ties, it's flush. I don't see if you can see, maybe over here. Well, you don't get cut. How about that? it doesn't cut you when you're working on your RCs and whatever you're planning to do. So let me put this on top of there and see how it lights up. Alrighty, so here's where the lights are. I think it's really nicely set up. Here's the front of the lights. Just give you just a visual of that. I think every one of these RCs should have their lights adapted to this. I think it's pretty awesome. I'll show you the back of it just for you guys to get just a better visual of what it looks like. Turns off. I don't have the remote control on there right now. There's the flashing lights. So yeah, no, and I guess those are the reverse lights. But yeah, so this is what you're looking at right now. So definitely a cool additive piece. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this as stock as possible. I am going to get the lights on top, and then yeah, so we'll see what happens in the near future. If you like this video, if this video was informative to you, definitely throw me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed before, check out my older videos. They should be able to help you out with a lot of the content that I have over here. And rate, comment, subscribe. Turn my thumbs up on YouTube. Later.